How to get Temu coupon code bundles by step. Want to save big on Temu? Using coupon bundles is one of the easiest ways to get discounts on multiple products at once. In this video, I'll show you how to get Temu coupon code bundles safely and quickly. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more shopping tips and app tutorials. Step 1. Open the Temu app and log in or create a new account. If you're a new user, Temu often gives a welcome coupon bundle automatically. This can be your first set of discounts. Step 2. Go to your profile and tap on the Coupons and Credits section. Here, you'll see all the coupon bundles available to you. Make sure to activate the ones you want before checkout. Step 3. Keep an eye on the Temu home screen for promo banners. Temu often runs limited time sales or seasonal events that offer coupon bundles. Simply tap the banner and claim the bundle. Step 4. You can also enter official promo codes from Temu campaigns or verified influencers. Open the app and type the code in the search bar. The coupon bundle will be added to your wallet if the code is valid. Step 5. Participate in mini in-app events like daily check-ins, spin wheels, or challenges. These activities often reward extra coupons that add to your bundle. Step 6. Don't forget referral bonuses. Invite friends to Temu, and when they complete their first purchase, you may receive additional coupon credits for your account. Pro tip: always check the coupon details. Look for expiry dates, minimum purchase requirements, and eligible products. Using coupons correctly ensures you get the full discount without errors at checkout. And that's it. Now you know how to get Temu coupon code bundles and maximize your savings. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more Temu tips, and comment below if you want a video on how to use coupon bundles to save the most on your orders.